The Sonoran Desert is pretty important, primarily due to the production of cactus. Cactus is used for medicinal purposes, as food, and for decorating purposes. Right now, cactus is one of the cheapest and most commercialized plants that you can find in Mexico. But right now, cactus habitats are being threatened and destroyed by humans, who come here and make attractions, making more humans to come and forcing other humans to make pavements. This pavimentation releases corrosive chemicals into the air, causing the soil to be infertile and not only preventing that the cactus grow in the soil, but many other diverse plants. Also, these chemicals that are released into the air damage the animals that live in these areas. Animals that roughly adapt to the conditions of the Sonoran Desert. The Sonoran Desert is pretty important due to its commercialization of diverse plants and animals.
How abiotic factors relate to the type of organisms living in the desert? Well, the relation between each is that abiotic factors are in charge of giving life or maintaining alive organisms which are biotic factors. In short words, we can say that organisms depend from abiotic factors to stay alive.
Hi, I'm going to talk about the desert's pattern of temperatures and precipitation. The temperatures for the desert fluctuate from day to night. The temperature on the day, the temperatures get so hot that they sometimes cause you to hallucinate. And as if the heat is not enough, at night it cools down to very cold temperatures. The average temperature on day is about 38 degrees Celsius, and at night it can be like minus 3.9 degrees Celsius. That's a very big difference. And and about the precipitation, there is a shortage of precipitation in the desert, receiving less than 25 centimeters per year, receiving the least rain in the spring and summer. Although August is one of the months that receives the most rain with up to 1.3 centimeters of rain. The months of December to March is the time period when the desert receives the most precipitation. And that's all for
In the
now.
desert, we find some animals such as the bobcat, the coyote, the armadillo lizards, and the bighorn sheep of the desert. The scientific name for an animal that is found in the desert is a shearcoal. These animals can adapt to the form of living of the desert, and these animals often have physical traits that help them handle the heat. They also often have a light sandy color, which helps to reflect sunlight and minimizes the absorption of heat. These are the main animals of the desert and their characteristics.
We can find deserts in Mexico like the Chihuahuan Desert, the Lower Colorado River Valley, the Gran Desierto de Altar, and the Sonoran, which has the Sea of Cortez that unite them and is a genuine marine paradise. The Mexican deserts are dry and thus in borderlands with the United States.
The desert biome is one of the most least expected biome of having high levels of pollution because of its high temperatures that doesn't allow the human being by living there by a big amount of time. Now, the human is thinking about moving all the industries into the desert because it doesn't cause any trouble, but it does. It causes a lot of pollution in the desert by drilling for many fossil fuels, for example, such as oil. Also, by hunting some of their animals that live in that biome. So if you ask yourself the number one pollutant for the desert, you will say that is the human being.
The Mexican gray wolf is the most endangered species in the Sonoran Desert. There are only about 175 left of them in the world, which most of them are in captivity. They are the smallest wolves currently existing, and due to hunting, they have completely disappeared on North America. The second most endangered species is the jaguar. These species are rarely seen on the United States of America, and due to human interference, there are reportedly about 100 and 120 in the Sonoran Desert, and this has been confirmed by eyewitnesses accounts providing for their presence.